You might have seen this connector in an old PC or in a similar device. It looks like an VGA cable and even has the same locking mechanism, but it is not an VGA cable. So this is an DVI connector, which stands for Digital Video Interface. It was released in 1999 as a replacement for VGA cables. Unlike VGA, which transmits an analog signal, these cables transmit a digital signal. And DVI cable can transmit a video signal having a maximum resolution of 1440p. So there are two types of DVI cables: single link DVI cable and a dual link DVI cable. And single link cable can transmit up to 3.96 gigabits of data per second, but a dual link DVI cable can transmit up to 7.92 gigabit per second of data. And later these cables were replaced by HDMI and DisplayPort cables, which could carry and video having a maximum resolution of something like 4K or 8K. These HDMI cables and DisplayPort cables, they were less complex to use and they were more convenient to use.